Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the square root of 2401. We will be using prime factorization method or the division method for finding the square root of 2401. In this method we divide number using prime numbers and find the factors of the numbers. And after finding the factors we find the square root of the number. For this we'll first divide 2401 using prime numbers. So let's divide this number. As this is an odd number, so this is not divisible by first prime number 2. Let's try the next prime number 3. It is also not divisible by next prime number 3. Also not divisible by the next prime number 5. So let's divide it by prime number 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 is remainder. This becomes 30. 7 times 4 is 28. 2 is remainder. This becomes 21. And 7 times 3 is 21. 343 is again divisible by number 7. 7 times 4 is 28 and the remainder is 6. This becomes 63 and 7 times 9 is 63. 49 is divisible by number 7. 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So now we got all the factors of 2401. For finding the square root of 2401, we are going to write it as the product of its factors. That is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. And as we are finding the square root, we are going to take square root on both sides. So this is going to be square root of 2401 equals square root of 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Or we can write it as square root of 2401 equals square root of 7 square times 7 square. We are writing it in terms of exponent. And as these are square numbers, these can come out of the square root sign, because when we write the number in index form like this, then the square and the square root will get cancelled. And we'll get the number. Here too, the numbers will come out of the square root sign, or we can say that this square root and square will get cancelled and we'll get 7 times 7. So the square root of 2401 is 7 times 7, which is 49. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. So this is how we find the square root of any number using prime factorization or division method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.